Introducing the Flying Tent, a revolutionary piece of camping gear that combines 4 essential outdoor functions into one compact design. This innovative invention serves as a hammock, bivy tent, floating tent, and even a rain poncho, making it an ideal companion for any camping adventure. Weighing approximately 4 pounds, the Flying Tent is lightweight and easy to carry. Its pop-up setup allows for quick assembly, and the removable mosquito net ensures a bug-free experience. The integrated rainfly provides protection against the elements, while the multifunctional design offers versatility in various outdoor scenarios. Priced around $319, the Flying Tent offers a practical solution for campers seeking adaptable and efficient gear. Could you envision an outdoor cooking system that not only prepares meals but also powers your devices during your camping adventures? The Camp Stove 2 bundle from BioLite is an amazing invention designed specifically for camping and backpacking. This versatile system burns biomass such as twigs, sticks, or wood pellets to generate a smokeless flame for cooking while converting heat into electricity at up to 3 watts through a built-in USB port. It also includes a 2,600 mAh battery that stores excess energy for charging after the fire has gone out. A smart LED dashboard displays real-time information on fire strength, power output, and fan speed with 4 adjustable settings for optimal flame control. The bundle further features a grill attachment for even cooking, a stainless steel kettle pot that can boil 1 liter of water in about 4.5 minutes, and a USB-powered flex light for nighttime meal prep. Weighing approximately 5 pounds, this system is ideal for car camping or shorter hikes. Elevate your outdoor culinary adventures with the Awada Lunch Box, a revolutionary all-in-one cooking companion designed for camping, hiking, and road trips. This compact marvel combines a non-stick frying pan, a griddle with grill marks, and an integrated steamer, all crafted from hard anodized aluminum alloy for durability. The detachable handle doubles as a cooking utensil, enhancing versatility. A built-in cutting board features draining capabilities and measurement marks for precise preparation. Heat-resistant handles ensure safe handling, while a protective strap secures the contents during transit. Weighing just over 3 pounds, the Awada Lunch Box streamlines meal prep, allowing you to grill, fry, or steam a variety of dishes without the need for bulky equipment. Priced starting at $69, it's the ideal solution for outdoor enthusiasts seeking convenience and efficiency in their cooking gear. Have you ever wondered how a groundbreaking caravan can revolutionize your camping adventures? The Discovery D4-2 is an amazing invention designed to offer both style and functionality. This compact 2-berth caravan is ideal for couples and compatible with smaller vehicles such as a VW Golf or select electric cars. Crafted with advanced aluminum and a robust GRP outer shell, it is engineered for strength and weather resistance. Weighing 2,200 pounds with a maximum payload of 1,956 pounds, the Discovery D4-2 measures 18.4 feet in length and 7.5 feet in width, featuring an Alco chassis with an ACASE-34 stabilizer for superior towing performance. Inside, the front lounge converts into 2 single beds or 1 spacious double bed, while a compact kitchen and washroom deliver modern convenience. Priced at approximately $26,000, the Discovery D4-2 is an amazing invention that elevates camping comfort to new heights. Can you elevate your camping experience with a portable shower that delivers unparalleled convenience and performance? The RinseKit Cube is an amazing invention designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable, on-demand shower solution. This innovative device holds up to 4 gallons of water, providing multiple short showers or gear rinses after a long day of adventures. Equipped with a 12V5Ah battery, it supplies consistent water pressure without manual pumping, thanks to its efficient design. A 7-foot hose with a nozzle offers 5 adjustable spray settings: jet, mist, center, flat, and shower, to suit every need. The waterproof control panel displays water temperature and battery life, while dual USB and 12V ports let you charge small devices. Weighing 15 pounds empty, 47 pounds when filled, and measuring 12 inches by 12 inches by 4.2 inches, this versatile cube is available for $390. Have you ever considered the convenience of setting up a comfortable hammock anywhere without relying on trees? Introducing Anymaka, an amazing invention designed for camping enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. This portable hammock stand, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, weighs around 23 pounds and features a foldable design that fits effortlessly into most car trunks. Its standout feature is the lightning-fast assembly, taking just 3 seconds, so you can start relaxing without delay. The stand supports traditional gathered-end hammocks up to 12 feet long and offers dual configurations: lounge mode for lying down and chair mode for sitting up. Optional accessories like a canopy kit for shade and a bug net for added protection further enhance comfort in any weather. Engineered for stability and ease of use, this practical solution is available for just $210, promising instant relaxation on your next outdoor trip. Can you imagine staying warm in extreme outdoor conditions without conventional power? Introducing the BLACKCANⅡ Pro, the world's first hot water mattress engineered for camping, hiking, and fishing adventures. This amazing invention uses a burner to heat water circulating through the mattress, maintaining temperatures above 86 degrees Fahrenheit even when the ambient temperature drops to 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by a 1B propane or butane gas canister, it delivers up to 12 hours of continuous heat. The setup is remarkably efficient, assembling in just 5 minutes and reaching optimal heat within 10 minutes. A unique thermoelectric generator converts excess heat into electrical energy, powering the water pump and charging devices or LED lights. Safety features include an ERV1 safety valve and an internal sensor that triggers an alarm if overheating or low water levels occur. Designed for easy storage and portability, this durable solution has garnered strong community support on Kickstarter. Ever wondered how you can power your camping adventures with a single, portable generator? The KOWWER P1 is an amazing invention that transforms outdoor energy solutions. This gas-powered generator, designed for emergencies and remote energy needs, weighs only 4.96 pounds and produces up to 1 kilowatt-hour of electricity using a 230G gas canister. Engineered for extreme conditions, the KOWWER P1 boasts an IP68 waterproof rating and operates in temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, while its structure supports up to 242 pounds. Safety features include overvoltage and short-circuit protection, temperature sensors, automatic voltage regulation, a dual cooling system, a one-button start, and a built-in SOS alarm. It runs quietly at 58 dB and is highly fuel efficient with a 95% combustion rate, all for $359. Camping just got a whole lot easier with this all-in-one survival tool. Meet the Adventure Mate AMV2, the ultimate multi-tool built for outdoor enthusiasts. Combining 5 essential tools into one, it features an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and hook, making it a must-have for camping, hiking, and survival trips. Built for durability, the AMV2 boasts a high-carbon steel axe head with a tapered profile for effortless log splitting. The 6.5-inch curved saw blade cuts through wood smoothly, while the shovel's sharpened edge and foot pegs enhance digging efficiency. Need to secure a tent? The milled hammer face drives stakes with precision. Designed, assembled, and coated in Virginia Beach, USA, the AMV2 is available in stealth black and desert sand finishes. This powerhouse tool is built for adventurers who need reliability in the wild. Are you ready to elevate your outdoor experience with a truly innovative shower solution? Introducing the KAKADU OUTBACK Shower, an amazing invention designed specifically for camping, hiking, and overlanding adventures. This portable hot shower features a rechargeable lithium battery that provides up to 2 hours of use per charge, eliminating the need for external power sources. A 12-volt brushless pump delivers a consistent water pressure of 0.5 gallons per minute, while an automatic ignition system enables a simple one-touch start. With temperature controls that heat water up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, an increase of 55 degrees Fahrenheit over ambient temperature, it is compatible with standard 1-pound propane bottles for up to 4 hours of operation, with optional adapters for larger tanks. Compactly designed at 21 in x10 and x18 in and weighing 16 pounds, it includes a 5 feet 4 inches pump hose and an 8 feet 2 inches shower hose, plus a waterproof rating of IPX65 ensures reliable performance. Accessories include a direct current charge cable, user manual, an optional privacy vehicle tent with blockout technology, and a custom carry bag. Have you ever wondered how one invention can completely transform your outdoor adventures? The KAARI LOIMU is an amazing invention that redefines portable ignition for camping and hiking. This groundbreaking lighter uses plasma technology to produce an arc exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius, delivering consistent ignition even in harsh conditions like strong winds, rain, or freezing weather. Powered by a 2900 mAh lithium-ion battery and rechargeable via USB-C, it provides up to 500 ignitions per charge, reducing the need for disposable fuel sources. In addition, it features a bright LED flashlight emitting 100 lumens and doubles as a power bank for smartphones, cameras, tablets, and other USB-compatible devices. The device also includes a battery status indicator, a carabiner for secure attachment, and a reflective lanyard for enhanced safety. Measuring 3 and 15/16 inch by 2 and 3/8 inch x just under 1 inch, this durable, Finland-engineered lighter is available for only $53. Let's prepare to be astounded by the FLEXTAIL EVO ICER, an incredible invention that brings portable ice-making power to your outdoor adventures. This battery-powered device is designed for camping, beach trips, and tailgate parties, delivering convenience wherever you go. Equipped with a 200 Wh battery and Type-C charging, it produces 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes using its innovative Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. The unit measures only 12 inches wide, weighs 20 pounds, and offers a 3-hour battery life capable of making over 400 ice cubes per charge. Featuring an Air Vortec micro motor and our 290 refrigerant, it operates quickly and quietly even in temperatures up to 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit. With 3 customizable ice-making modes, food-grade polycarbonate storage, dual charging ports, and smart alerts for water levels and battery status, this durable ice maker is built for rugged outdoor use and is available for global shipping at approximately $400. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.